I'm Emily.
Hello to you, Emily. And a big hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is fantastic to be here with you today.
It is always fantastic, Paul. Tell me, how are you today? You look very happy.
I am happy. Thank you. I had a very productive morning. I did many things on my list.
Ooh, a productive morning. I love those. What did you do?
Well, I went to the supermarket, I walked the dog, and I went to the bank.
The bank! Paul, that is perfect.
Perfect. Why is going to the bank perfect? It is a little boring, no?
Maybe a little boring, yes, but it is perfect because that is our topic today.
No way! Really?
Yes, today we are talking all about the bank.
Wow, that is a great coincidence. The bank is very important for daily life.
It is. Everyone needs to go to the bank sometimes. We need to know the right words in English.
Yes, we do. It can be a little scary to talk about money in a different language.
Exactly. But do not worry. We are here to make it easy and simple.
We certainly are. But Emily, before we open the bank doors, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you are enjoying our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up. It helps us very much.
And please subscribe channel. We don't want you to miss any of our fun episodes.
And share it. Share this with your friends, your family, your colleagues. Let's all learn English together.
Yes, thank you so much, everyone. We truly appreciate it. Okay, Paul, I am ready. Let's go to the bank.
Let's go. So, why do we go to the bank?
Good question. We go to keep our money safe.
Yes, the bank is a safe place for our money. We don't want to keep all our cash under our bed.
No, that is not a good idea. The bank is much better. So the first thing we need at a bank is an account.
An account. Yes, this is like your personal box at the bank.
Exactly. It is where your money lives. There are two main types of accounts.
Oh, two types. What are they?
The first one is a checking account.
A checking account. Okay. What is that for?
A checking account is for every day, for your daily life.
Ah, I see. So when I buy my coffee or my groceries at the supermarket, I use money from my checking account.
Yes, exactly. It is for money you spend often.
Okay, that is simple. And the second type?
The second type is a savings account.
A savings account. Ah, we talked about saving before.
Yes, we did. A savings account is for money you want to keep for a long time.
Like money for my new bicycle?
Yes, or for a future vacation, or just for emergencies.
I understand. Checking is for today. Savings is for the future.
Perfect, Paul. You are a fast learner.
Thank you. So, I want to open an account. What do I do?
You need to go to the bank and speak to a person. You can say, "Hello, I would like to open an account, please."
I would like to open an account, please. That is a very useful phrase.
It is. And they will ask you for some things.
What things?
They will need your ID.
My ID, like my driver's license?
Yes, or your passport. Something with your photo and your name.
Okay, I always have my ID. What else?
They might need your address, where you live.
That is easy. I know where I live.
Good. And then you have to fill out a form.
Oh, I know this. A form. It is a paper with many questions. Name, address, phone number.
Yes, that is it. You write your information on the form.
And at the end, I have to write my name.
Yes, that is called your signature. You sign the form.
Ah, my signature. It makes it official.
Exactly. Once you sign, congratulations. You have a bank account.
Woohoo! I have an account. Now I need to put money in my account.
Good idea. When we put money into the bank, we call it a deposit.
Oh, deposit. Okay.
Yes. You can say to the bank worker, I would like to make a deposit, please.
I would like to make a deposit. I am putting money in.
Perfect. And what if you need money? What if you need cash for the weekend?
Ah, yes, I need to take money out.
When we take money out, we call it a withdrawal.
Withdrawal. That is a longer word.
It is a little harder to say. Withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Okay, so I can say, I would like to make a withdrawal, please?
Yes. Or simply, I would like to take out some cash, please.
Take out cash. That is easier. I like that one.
Simple is good. Who is the person I talk to at the bank? The person behind the glass window.
That person is called a teller.
A teller. Like they tell me things?
Maybe, but they help you with your money. They take your deposits and give you your withdrawals.
Okay, the bank teller. They are usually very friendly.
Yes, they are.
But Paul, sometimes the bank is closed.
Oh no, it is 8 p.m. I need cash for pizza. What do I do?
Do not panic. You can use the ATM.
Ah, the ATM. I love the ATM. It is like a robot bank.
Yes, it is a robot bank. It is open 24 hours a day.
What does ATM mean?
It means automated teller machine.
Automated teller machine. Ah, so it is a robot teller.
Exactly. You need two things for the ATM.
I know this. I need my bank card.
Yes, your plastic card. And one more thing, a secret thing.
Ooh, a secret. My PIN number.
Yes, your PIN. Usually 4 numbers. Only you know it.
Yes, I never tell anyone my PIN. It is top secret.
Very good. Never share your PIN.
So, at the ATM, I insert my card.
Yes, you put your card inside the machine.
Then I enter my PIN number. Beep, 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 beep.
Precise sound effects, Paul.
Thank you. And then I select what I want. Usually, withdraw cash.
Yes, you choose how much money you want. $20, $50, $100.
And then, magic! The machine gives me money.
It is like magic. Don't forget to take your card back.
Oh yes, that is very important. Never leave your card in the machine.
Paul, what happens if you lose your card?
Oh no! That is a terrible feeling. I lost my card once. I was very stressed.
It can be scary, but if you lose your card, you must call the bank immediately.
Yes, right away. You must tell them, I lost my card.
They will cancel your card so no one else can use it.
That is good. It keeps my money safe.
Yes, safety is the most important thing at the bank.
I have another question.
Sure, Paul. What is it?
I am going on vacation soon. To Europe.
Wow, Europe. That is exciting.
It is. But in Europe, they do not use my country's money. They use euros.
That's right. You need different currency.
Currency. That is the word for money from different countries.
Yes, dollars, euros, pounds, yen. These are all different currencies.
Can I get euros at my bank?
Usually, yes. You can exchange money at the bank.
Exchange. Like, I give them dollars, they give me euros.
Exactly. You swap one currency for another.
That is very helpful. I will go to the bank before my trip.
Good plan. You can say, I would like to exchange some money, please.
I would like to exchange some money. Okay, I will remember that.
Paul, do you use online banking?
Online banking? You mean the bank on my computer?
Yes, or on your phone.
Oh, yes. I use the app on my phone all the time. It is very convenient.
It is amazing, right? You don't need to go to the bank building.
No, I can check my balance on my phone.
Ah, good word. Balance. What is that?
The balance is how much money I have in my account right now.
Yes, it is always good to know your balance before you buy that expensive pizza.
Yes, I check my balance, I see I have money, and then pizza time.
You can also pay bills with online banking.
Yes, I pay my electricity bill and my internet bill on the app. It is very fast.
It saves a lot of time. No paper, no stamps.
I love technology. It makes banking much easier.
It really does. But going to the real bank is still nice sometimes.
Yes, I like talking to the tellers. They are very helpful people.
They are. If you have a question or a problem, it is good to speak to a real person.
Exactly. So we have many good words today. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Great idea, Paul. Let's review.
Okay. The place we keep our money is the
Bank.
and my personal money box at the bank is my
Account.
perfect. If I want to put money in, I make a
Deposit.
And if I want to take money out, I make a...
Withdrawal.
Very good. The robot machine that gives me cash is the...
ATM.
And the secret number for my card is my...
PIN.
Wow, Emily, you get an A+ on the bank quiz.
Hooray! Thank you, Professor Paul.
These words are so useful. I feel more confident now.
Me too. It is nice to know the right words.
Emily, before we finish, do you prefer using cash or your card?
That is a tough question. I think I prefer my card. It is easier to carry.
I agree. I usually use my card, but sometimes it is nice to have a little cash in my pocket.
Yes, for small things, like a coffee or the bus.
Exactly. It is good to have both.
Well, Paul, I think it is time to close the bank for today.
Yes, the bank is closing. We hope this episode helps you feel comfortable going to the bank in English.
Yes, don't be afraid. The people at the bank want to help you.
Just remember your keywords: account, deposit, withdraw. You will be fine.
Absolutely. You can do it.
Now, we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes, please tell us in the comments section. Do you prefer to use cash or do you prefer to use your card?
Oh, good question. Cash or card? Let us know what you like to use.
We love reading your answers. It is great practice for your English writing.
It is. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful day and happy banking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye for now.